I'm still standing by my word though. I think it's gonna start. In there?
Yeah.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We are out here with Lieutenant Dan, the old Army Jeep. Got the crew cab here next to me. But what we need to do is we need to get the Jeep off the trailer. Now I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to see if we can get it started, because I don't want to have to kind of reverse winch it off or let it just roll off. So we're gonna see if it'll start today. So comment below, let me know what you think. Is it gonna start or is it not? So let's get started and see what we can do with it. All right, so I have the bare essentials to try and start this. Went and picked up a brand new battery. The other one was completely dead. I tried putting a charge on it and it just wouldn't take anything. So brand new battery and líquido de arranque, better known as starter fluid. So let's go put the battery in first and then see what else we need to do to make sure it starts. Okay, we got the battery in, connected, not secured, but that's okay. Got the air filter off. It appears that the throttle is working. All right, let's see if it'll start. I'm gonna spray some starter fluid in the carb. If I need to, I'll have my wife come out and spray while I try and crank it, or vice versa. So let's give it a try. That was promising. First try, just basically burnt the starter fluid, but let's give it another whirl. Okay, I'm gonna get my wife out here so she can spray starter fluid so we can keep it going and see if we can get the carburetor to start pumping some fuel through there. Okay. Alright guys, we're adding some fuel. I think it might be empty because the carb is trying to pump fuel. It's just not giving it to it, so either that or the gas is too far gone. I'm still standing by my word though. I think it's gonna start. Okay, no.
See if okay. See if it's got brakes. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're good, dude.
Okay.
Here we go. Let me make sure we're on the ramps. Here we go. Let her go.
All right, guys, we got it unloaded. Speaking of which, the brakes work. We found that out while unloading it. So the brakes and the parking brake work. So we got it unloaded right here. Got the trailer all stowed away back here. So this will be the spot for it for a little while at least. So I couldn't get it started yet. I cleaned the carb out, but I think what I'm going to do is do a little research tonight. I just want to go ahead and order a full rebuild kit for that carburetor, do it right, rebuild it, and then it should run well. I want to look into, like I said, I'm not very familiar with gas engines, but there's got to be some type of fuel pump because fuel's not getting to the carburetor. So, all right, guys, it's the next day. Little update on the Jeep. So I disconnected the fuel line to the carburetor, cranked it over, and no fuel's coming out. So I went and bought a new fuel pump. So we're gonna replace this and see if that may be the issue. So I got a new fuel pump, got a new fuel filter, got a carb rebuild kit, but we're gonna try the fuel pump first and then see how that works. So I'll replace that real quick and hopefully it'll start. All right, so I got the fuel pump replaced. There you see it. It's super easy. So, and I love the thing about the Jeep, you know, if you need more room, you just lean the hood up against the window. It's super nice. So let's see if we get any fuel coming out of here now. I didn't get any coming out when I tried it with the old fuel pump, so let's give it a try. Okay, so still nothing out of here. I'm gonna unhook the fuel line from the top of the fuel pump and see if we get any fuel coming out of that to let me know, is our fuel issue from the pump to the carburetor, or is it prior to the pump between the tank and the pump? So let's go ahead and try that. All right, so we have no fuel coming out of the fuel pump here, which tells me we're not getting any fuel to the fuel pump. So I'm gonna go under the Jeep, check the fuel lines. We may get to the point where I might drop the tank here and pull out the sending unit, and then I can pull out the sending unit, make sure it's functional. Obviously it's not, because it's not getting fuel to the fuel pump, so we'll see. Maybe we need to replace that. Maybe it's just an electrical connection to the sending unit, so we'll take a look at that and see. As you guys know, normally in my videos I'm a little more tutorial style, showing you how to do stuff. In this case, I'm just trying to get it started, so I'm not really going to explain how I'm doing stuff or what I'm doing. We're just going to see if we can get it started. Eventually we're going to go through and redo everything. So there's the fuel sending unit. So I'm going to see, I have to disconnect the fuel lines if I want to get the tank any lower, so I'm going to see if I can just reach in there and make sure all the connections are good. But I'll let you guys know. All right, guys, so I ended up lowering the tank way down. I cleaned the contacts on the fuel sending unit, redid the ground, replaced one of the fuel lines that looked like it was kind of smashed up in there. And then I've been going for a couple hours. It's bloody hot out here, so I just figured I'd hook the fuel pump back up, hook the carburetor back up, put some gas in the carb, and see if that was enough, you know, let it start on that gas, see if that was enough to let it draw some fuel up. And let me show you guys the results. Watch this. There it is. It started officially. It is idling by itself. I might say it's purring by itself. It started. I'm so excited. That took forever, but I'm glad. So I'm not going to drive it yet because, like I said, it needs coolant, get some fluids changed and everything, and then we will take it on a drive. We'll see if the max speed 50 miles per hour on the dash is accurate, and we'll go from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a long, laborious process. Like I said, it's hot out here, but I'm super excited. It started. It's idling nicely. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next video.